In this video, we'll walk through the basics of getting started with Air Explorer, how to install it, connect your cloud accounts, and begin managing your files. Install the software. Head to the official Air Explorer website, download the installer, and follow the setup instructions to get it running on your computer. Open Air Explorer and connect your cloud accounts. Link your cloud storage services, such as Dropbox and Box, to start managing them all from one place. From the list of supported services, choose Dropbox. Sign in with your credentials and authorize access to your files. Navigate to the Accounts tab, click Add Account, select Box, and log in using your Box credentials. Transfer files between clouds. Switch to the File Explorer view within Air Explorer. Select the files you want to move from Dropbox to Box, or the other way around, then drag and drop them into the target folder. You can also right-click and choose options like Copy or Move to begin the transfer. Air Explorer will display the progress of the transfer, ensuring everything is completed successfully.